Good morning, everybody. Bassin.n.bama, and I'm out here this morning. It's about 6 o'clock a.m. here in Alabama. It's 29 degrees this morning. It's a lot colder than what it was the last time I came out and did a little fishing. Last time I came out, it was like 42 degrees, and that day ended up to be a pretty good day for me. I ended up catching my personal best. And as you can see, I'm in the same location that I was in a couple of weeks ago. I want to apologize for taking so long to do another video, but it's been raining a lot here in Alabama, and on top of that, my job done picked up, so I've been working a lot of hours lately. But I'm out here this morning, and I'm finna go hard. I'm pretty much fishing the same pattern that I did in my last video. There you go. There you go. There you go. Got a small one here. Like I said, I really ain't changed up my pattern. Still fishing with the same worm that I was fishing with last time out. Fishing with the same worm. To be honest, I believe it need to be changed out because it all beat up right now. But it's the same worm. Finesse worm from Smartbaits. I knew one was in there somewhere. Like I said, it's 29 degrees out here this morning. Got another small one. Another small one on the finesse worm from Smartbaits. Not too big today, but I'll take any size right now. Like I said, it's 29 degrees here, and I know a lot of you guys and ladies that's in the colder states where your lakes and ponds are frozen right now. I know you all love to be able to have some 29-degree weather. But here in Alabama, 29 degrees is cold. What's up, everybody? Bassin.n.bama back. And I switched over to a wacky rig, just trying something out. But I'm gonna fish this area right here for a few more minutes, then I'm gonna move on around to some more deeper water. Well, I done switched over now to a swim bait from Spool Tech. I got this swim bait right here in one of my lucky tackle boxes. I did an unboxing on this, and I did say when I come out I was gonna use it, and I'm out here, I'm using it. And I really want to get a fish on that bait because I want to see how that hook deploys out. I know it's a little shallow, probably a little too shallow to be throwing this out here, but we're in this area, but I'm gonna continue to throw it. I'm like down to my last hour, so I'm gonna get ready to go around on that side right over there in that corner. I know the water is a lot deeper over there, so I'm gonna try over in that area a little while. Probably. What's up, everybody? Bassin.n.bama, and I changed location. Been here probably 20 minutes in this little area. Haven't got one bite. I can't seem it. Figure out what they want. I changed back to the shaky head. Didn't get a bite. Threw a couple moving baits. Still can't get no bite. Before I leave, I may go to another location on my way back home. I know another little spot. that I can try before I go in. What's up, everybody? It's Bassin.n.bama back, and I ended up moving to another location, but I didn't have any luck there. Didn't catch any more besides the 2 that I did get on camera. But I'm gonna have to call this day an end because I gotta get back to the house, get me some rest. Got work tonight. But I want to thank you all for tuning in to this video, and I want to ask you all to continue to follow my channel, share my channel, comment if you like, and like always, stay blessed.